guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and review of a cleaning kit. This is from Gizga or Gizga, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Gizga Essentials Gadget cleaning kit. So they have a lot of options which has blowers, which has brushes, different types of cloth. So this is the one I got because I already have the brush and all those things. I just wanted a cleaner and a cloth. So this apparently has a very good cleaner and a cloth in this one. So we'll see in a while what there is. So let me just read around the packet and show you what it is. So the net weight of this is 170 ml, streak free and anti-static. So anti-static is okay, but it needs to be streak free, otherwise it will leave marks on your computer or TV screen. Powerful dirt remover, disinfectant and antibacterial and anti-static electricity product. So yeah, antibacterial and disinfectant is also needed because sometimes fungus forms when some particles, organic particles which comes in your screen or in between your keyboard. So that is also important. So it is suitable for smartphones, tablets, LCD, LED, TV screen and camera lenses. Alright. So coming to the back, Gadget sparkling tea, blah blah, the usual sales pitch. So how to use it: pop it, spray it and wipe. Okay. This costs MRP of this is 599, but you can get this for around 219. I got this for around the same. So alcohol and residue free, so this is not environmental free, blah blah. So what has this is a solution, stone drying, what that means. Stone drying, storage and drying. So we'll see. 11-inch micro cleaning cloth. Okay, how to cloth, let's say, and see the actual product of this. So okay, alright, so whatever it is inside this, nothing else here. So we throw this out. So Gadget cleaning kit, streak free, anti-static. It's one thing is good, this is totally a clear solution, no color, added color or something. Let me open this, and this is how it looks. Something written here, how to direct and all this stuff. So you have a normal spray, nozzle spray here, and you can store the clothes there. So this is really nice for storage purposes. This will be a very compact package. So you have a sort of microfiber cloth. That's nice. So we have a laptop screen here. As you can see, it has fingerprints, oils and any little type of dust particles and all the stuff. Let's spray this and we can do a live in front of you how it actually performs. So I'm using that, sprayed it, and I'm using the provided microfiber cloth. I just sprayed it and slowly. So one thing is good, it is quick drying. As you can see, it immediately it's soaked up. So that's a very good thing. And yeah, most of, at least the oil and all these things are gone, but you can see a little bit of the earlier these things are still there. So I think for that I would require another one, another session, but I would say overall this is quite good. I can see it is not leaving any marks of its own, and this is very quick drying. So that is one of the important things that is needed. And on top of that, this does not have any alcohol in this. So let me just try to remove these things. Yeah, and little bit of effort is needed, and that's it. I really like this one. This really cleaned it really well. Did not leave any residue of any kind, any streaks, any marks. So I really like it. And the cloth is also really nice. It does not leave any small fibers, any residue behind. So yeah, all in all, I would definitely recommend it. This is quite nice. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.